Kia ora, good morning, happy end of July. I am Mike from Markets. This is Kiwibank Markets in a minute. Okie dokie, starting with global equity markets because they're a better than nothing proxy for global risk sentiment. They are lower this morning. US indices are flat-ish with a mildly negative skew, so a little bit lower. European indices, though, they are a lot lower, 1.5 to 2% styles. Even the UK's FTSE, which is benefiting kind of from a plunging pound, is off the pace by 0.5%. Yeah, on that, the pound, it is indeed lower again. We didn't see as large a fall as we had on Monday night, but still the pound is falling. So currencies by the numbers, Kiwi numbers, the best numbers. Kiwi US, that traded lower, knocking on the door of 66 US cents overnight. No one answered that knock, so it bounced a little. Kiwi's off the pace a smidge against the euro, and the yen steady against the Aussie, and yeah, Kiwi pound, that hit a new 2019 high overnight, 54.71 pence. Drivers, right, Boris and Brexit, Trump and trade, data, and something else beginning with D. I don't know. Running through these, Boris is doubling down on his Brexit or bust strategy, undeterred by a pound indicating that perhaps that maybe that's not the best approach. Perhaps it is the best approach. It's not really for us to say. Trump took to Twitter to criticise China for not buying US agri-goods. Two sides to that story, but the critique came just as negotiations kicked off again between the two nations. And yeah, that probably took a bit of the positivity shine off US equities. But US data added a little of that shine back. Consumer inflation, that's running at 1.6%, better than forecasts, lower than the previous month, and yeah, clearly lower than the 2% target. So that reinforces the argument for an interest rate cut from the Federal Reserve tomorrow morning, which is a positive for equities broadly, and probably offset any tweet negativity. Yeah, US consumer confidence, that was the other key data release overnight, fresh 2019 high. That's another shine adder too. So, a lot going on and a lot more ahead. Later this morning, Apple will report their earnings numbers for the April-June quarter. They're clearly a very American company with extensive manufacturing in China, so they're an ideal candidate to serve as a proxy for how the trade war is going. Yeah, then we have some local data, some Aussie data, some European data tonight. The next really big thing, though, that is the Fed tomorrow morning, a 25 basis point cut. Basically a done deal, a slight chance of a double whammy 50-point move, though. So, yeah, 6 a.m. tomorrow, earlier start. Right, all boxes ticked. More detail in first hand, our written commentary. Happy Wednesday. Ka kite.